Alright, so I'm cleaning the cylinder head, and it did turn out to be a very manual job. I'm just using carb cleaner, whatever I had laying around, and just about done here. You know, it doesn't really look it, but and I realized something. I didn't realize there were rings down here, washers underneath the springs, and I lost about 7 of them. So one more part I'm going to have to order before I put this thing back together, unless I can find them in the yard and clean them up, because I think that's where they ended up when I dumped out the water in the tub that this was in. So yeah, so over here I've got the valves, and they're still in the cardboard that's all numbered in order of what's what, so I can put them back to where they were. And I'm just using oven cleaner. I heard that works pretty good. Some of these were really pretty nasty. Grass brush here. I think what I'll do is I'll take these out one by one, give them a good brush, and put them back in the cardboard where they were, so I won't lose them. But yeah, this I'm just gonna let dry. Pretty much done with that now, and like you can see, there's some where the metal pieces were. I mean, where the steel was, there is some surface rust that kind of sucks. But I think the oil has additives in it that will dissolve or wash away or deal with most slight surface rust. So I'm hoping that it just kind of takes care of itself. It is going to cause some extra wear, but I'm going to do 2 oil changes after I get this all put together and run for a few miles. So if it does run. So alright, real exciting video, cleaning metal parts, but very necessary. See you next time.